Hey everyone, Kevin here for another fun and exciting tutorial. This time we're going to be talking about LinkedIn. A couple of you have asked me, how do I navigate LinkedIn? How can we work around finding candidates with the free account? So what I'm going to do here is just show you two things that I have used in the past that have helped me find really great candidates. Remember, I've told most of you that a lot of candidates that we find come from LinkedIn. I've used LinkedIn for about 8 years and a little more, and have found some really great candidates on LinkedIn using these exact things that I'm about to show you. So first off, we're here at LinkedIn, as you can see on my homepage. And I'm going to kill that update. And we're here on my homepage. I know it's my homepage because I can see my beautiful face right there. And anyhow, I want to bring you up here to the search bar. And what we're going to do here is we are going to actually search for one of your job orders and put a posting out there for one of your job orders. I'm not going to tell you who, but the lucky recruiter out there is going to get some help here from my 2,000 followers, or connections as they're called. So anyhow, first we're going to search for what we're looking for, and I do have a job order right here, and what we're looking for here is a safety and security manager for the railroad industry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to minimize this, and I'm just going to paste that, into here, and I'm going to hit search and just see what comes up. And so now a couple of people have come up, but I want to get specific. So what I do is I hit this advanced tool here, and it populates this box right here, and I can get real specific. Now here are the keywords that I entered. You can enter a first name or last name. We're not going to do that. You can enter a title, a company, a school, or a location anywhere. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit this location and located in or near, and it lets me put in a zip code. Now, through the miracle of pre-preparation, I have gotten the New Haven, Connecticut zip code, which is where this job order is, and it's 06501. So I'm going to put that in there and just hit enter and see what comes up. So now we do have some safety and security people, but not really railroad or anything like that. But that you can go through these and see where it says send in mail. You have to be a paid LinkedIn member to do that. So what I want to do is I want to look for anybody who I can just connect with, which doesn't look like many people because I'm in Jacksonville and they're in New Haven, Connecticut. So it doesn't look like this is really going to work for us. So, but if you are looking for any of your types, so what we can do here is take that out, and you really can, back this out and put railroad industry and see what's up. Again, hitting advanced, going down, located in or near, and we're just going to put 06501 and see what's up in New Haven, Connecticut. Now we have some railroad people here, and you just need to go down and find out. I do have one that I can connect with, so maybe I'm going to connect with him and send him an invite, and once he connects back to me, I'm going to send him a message that says, hey, I'm looking for a safety and security manager in the railroad industry. Do you know anybody who might be interested in this job? Maybe he gets back to me, maybe he doesn't, maybe he passes it along. So that's basically what LinkedIn is used for, is networking, and that's basically the definition of it. So we'll wait to see if Curtis Weekly, he's in a group that I am, so I sent him an invite, and we'll see, what's going on. Maybe he knows somebody, maybe he doesn't. But that's one way that you can search for candidates with using the free version of LinkedIn. Now, another thing, let's go back to the home page here. And this, I get a lot out of this. I'll give you an example. I put a posting up yesterday, and within about 5 minutes I had a comment to it, and I had a resume in my inbox this morning. So this seems to work if you have the connections, if people are looking on. Now, we're back here at the home page, and I know that because I can see me. And we have these three things down here. It says share an update, upload a photo, and write an article. And what I'm going to select here is write an article. And basically what it is just a post. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a post for this job order. Now, all of you are allowed to put whatever picture here. You can put, I have ones that say, now accepting applications, this and that. But for the purposes of this, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put our logo. And our headline is just going to be, going back to the job order here, is going to be our safety and security manager, railroad industry, but I'm going to add something to it. So I'm going to add, please share. And now we're going down to the bulk of it. Let's go back to the job order. And we're going to look at the body of the job order here. And maybe I go back to the post here and put, before the please share, maybe I put New Haven, Connecticut. If I could spell it right, that'd be good. Please share. And I'm going to go back to the job order here, and in the body of the job order, I'm just going to take these and put everything except for the must-haves. Because all we want to do is we want to raise a little interest. And I'm going to go back. Now, sometimes this looks like it pasted correctly. Sometimes you really got to watch these things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this out and show you if you're doing it, because I use Control V a lot. I'm going to delete this out. But if you use, your right click on your mouse, it says paste in plain text. That's what you're looking for. I use Control V and Control C a lot just to save some time. But here you have the body, of the email. Okay, so your post is finished. So you just want to go up here and click Publish. Now, before you publish your edits, tag your post so people can find it. Alright, so I'm going to hit Not Yet. It reminded me. And I'm going to go down here and tag some things. You can put 3 tags in here. So I'm going to go back to my job order. And I'm going to go up here and look for the search for safety manager, safety supervisor, and railroad. Sound good to me. So let's see if safety manager is in there. No. Safety management systems, close as we can get. The next one was safety supervisor. That's not in there, but I want to do so. I'm just gonna pick safety engineering, and then railroad, and I'm just gonna put railroad engineering in there just to get some railroad people going. So we have these tags so people can find our post. and we have the body of our job order in there, and our title with the location, and please share. So we're just going to go up here and hit publish. So, Safety and Security Manager, Railroad Industry, New Haven, Connecticut, please share. You sure you want to publish this post? I'm publishing the post. Now, congrats, your post has been published. Share it with your other networks and broaden your search. Absolutely. I'm going to share this on Facebook because I want this thing everywhere. And let me bring this down so you can see it. And I'm not going to share on my timeline. I'm sharing a page that I manage, Skyline Recruiting Solutions. And I could post something about this if I wanted to. I'm just going to put, please share. And I'm going to post that to Facebook. Now, I want to get it everywhere, so I'm going to share it on Twitter as well. And here we are, Skyline. We see our logo up here, Safety and Security Manager. And I am going to go ahead and tweet that. And that's it. Your post will be published. Now, one thing, you need to go down here and look at your post and make sure that the body is in there, because sometimes if you don't paste it correctly, it'll have some dumb code in there, and it might not be in there. So hopefully people will read this post and look in there. I will definitely forward along any resumes I get for the lucky recruiter out there whose job order this is, and I did pick it at random. So if you have any questions at all about what I just went over, hopefully you're watching this. You're going to be getting this sent via email. If you have any questions at all, hit me back. I always have time for all of you. And if you like this tutorial, hit like below or send some comments below on how we can do better or anything like that. So until the next tutorial, again, this is Kevin, and you guys make it a great day.